Who do you feel made the right choice? This guy did the right decision to make the transfer, and that's going to help consider him more on the national team if necessary.
Carlos Gonzalez, I mean, he's been looking for that spot, right? I mean, he didn't find it in news. He had a really rough year personally last year. Hopefully he gets back on track with the goals this year. We need strikers to get hot. And I think he's going into a team that's usually plays offensively here in South America. They're always trying to do big things in Libertadores. So I'm going to look into Independiente del Valle because, again, we do have another Paraguayan there. Carlos Gonzalez, I think, is a player that can get back on track, guys.
Maybe a bit left field, but really is. I'm interested in Cantero that went to Russia because left back's kind of that one slot where I don't feel we're playing Junior Alonso there for the national team. When we tried to play Sandes, which I think is what he wants to do, it hasn't quite worked. Cantero is a player who has the profile of somebody like Leon and Riveros, very attacking, likes to go forward. And now he's in Orenburg in Russia. So if he is able to do it at a higher level, then that could be interesting. He's a player that's done U17s, U20s with Paraguay. So the coaching staff will have seen him. They know what he's about.